Actually, yun nga, medyo nag-relax din yung mga bata eh. So, ano lang, pinalalanan lang sila na respeto lang lagi sa kalaban. Kaya medyo hindi naging maganda yung outcome although nanalo. Una-una, ang dami naming errors, especially services. So, kailangan pang magtrabaho.
Thank you. To Eshana, you had 21 excellent sets, 1 service ace, 2 blocks, and 1 attack. So yung nga, medyo naging concern kanina yung mga errors nyo. So ano yung kailangan yung i-polish para, kasi mabigat yung mga last 2 matches nyo sa first round.
Dahil nga po sa sinabi nga po ni Coach na kailangan pa pong i-polish yung pagbawas po ng errors. Pero at the same time po sa game, nakita ko po yung need po sa akin na mag-adjust po sa mga pasa and sa mga sets po na binibigay po sa mga spikers. Lalo na po, yun po yung role ko na ipadali po yung trabaho sa kanila. Lalo na po if parang may nadadown na or what. Parang yun na po yung matutulong ko po sa kanila.
Thank you to Angel. 10 of 15 attacks, 2 blocks, 8 digs, and 6 excellent receptions. So yung nga, are you happy na, syempre, yung nga, Shyvana is back. Pero syempre, yung nga, naging problema nyo kanina, yung mga errors nyo. So ano yung kailangan nyo gawin para, syempre, maging maganda yung tatakbo ng season nyo?
Siguro, kailangan din talaga namin mag-focus ulit sa service namin and sa receive namin ulit. Yun lang, basic lang. Kailangan din talaga bumalik sa basic yung team ulit. Kasi medyo nandun na ulit kami sa marami kaming naiisip sa loob ng court eh. Hindi na nakakalimutan namin yung basics, which is yung service talaga napaka-importante. Tsaka yung mga errors namin as a team. Siguro yun din talaga ang nakakapagbigay kumpiyansa sa UE na ititry naming iwasan. Lalo na may mga mabigat pa kami yung mga kalaban next game.
And lastly to Shev, 8 of 21 attacks, 1 block, 4 digs. So you're trying to get back into the group of digs. So what can you say about your performance individually and as a team? Okay.
I guess supposedly individually. Of course, I want to get back to my original playing, but one game at a time, slowly but surely. In terms of team, I feel like sometimes, mistakes happen, but it's when you're afraid to make mistakes. That's when that pressure you put on yourself, and that's when you begin to make more mistakes. So I think as much kudos talaga to UE. They fought really hard this game, and we respect that, but we also need to respect them, respect ourselves, and give them a good laban in return.
Thank you, Chefs. Welcome back. Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Coach, from a coach's standpoint na po, gaano kalaking bagay lang na ito si Shyvana nakabalik na yun, nakalaro na ulit?
Big boost naman talaga sa team kasi siya yung team captain namin eh. Minsan kasi like the past 2 games na medyo naghahanap din sila eh. Namimiss din nila yung energy ni Shyvana, yung leadership sa loob. So, malaking bagay yung pagbalik ni Shyvana. Unti-unti, hopefully by Wednesday, maibalik niya na yung laro niya.
And Shyvana, for you, just how proud are you at those who filled in for you, like Mikey, Althea, and even Angel from a leadership standpoint? Just how proud are you of those who filled in your role while you were gone for Lasal?
I am so damn proud of you, Angel. You're not the co-captain for no reason. We're doing this together, and of course, I'm very proud of the whole team. I mean, honestly, I don't think they were looking for me. If anything, they were. I'm just so happy that they rose to the occasion, rose to the opportunity that they got given, because that adds to the confidence that they have. And yes, I'm back, but at the same time, that confidence that they have won't ever leave now. So, yeah, I'm just so proud of them all, and I think they all know from the very long messages that I have sent them, which I probably don't think they read, but that's fine. That's why you're a great leader. And I'm so proud of you. It's okay. I'm proud of you too, Sean. Don't be. And Coach Noel, such a great coach.
Damay mo na lahat. Pati sila.
Thank you for the broadcasting team. You're doing.
Press.
Coach, we're going now to last 2 matches ng first. So, syempre, ang laking bagay na 5-0 kayo, pero I know na matagal-tagal pa yung season. So, yung nga, aside from errors, tsaka yung mga service nyo, ano yung kailangang i-fix nyo sa team?
Wala, yung nga sabi nga ni Angel kanina, back to basic. So mahaba pa dun season, hindi pa tapos yung first round eh. So kailangan naming bumalik kung ano yung nalilimutan namin. Medyo nagre-relax, the past 2 games, medyo nag-relax talaga eh. Ko balik lang sa basic talaga.
And lastly, to Chefs, being the team captain, of course, it's still a long way to go. There's a lot of volleyball to play, so what we can expect from you guys to level up your play?
I don't believe that our team is peaking. I believe that we're on the right track, though. We are doing the right things in practice. Yes, there are obstacles, there are challenges that come in our way, but that's where we have to bounce back. We have to persevere and continue on. Like you said, round 1 isn't over yet, and I believe we still haven't showed our true potential yet, where I would say we're like 60% of the way in. And I think that's a great position to be as of now.
Angel, next game nyo nga, Adamson this Wednesday. Ano na siguro yung look for mo facing Shaina? And of course, yung Adamson maganda naman tinatakbo nila so far this season. So thoughts lang on facing Adamson.
Syempre, talagang di din talaga magpapatalo yung Adamson. Malakas din naman silang kalaban din talaga. And makikita mo talaga sa kanila na matapang din talaga sila. Na kahit na hindi sila lamang on that set, pero nakikita mo na gusto din talaga nilang lumaban. And marami silang nadagdagan na players talaga na alam mo yun, willing to contribute talaga. Hindi lang sa gitna, kundi yung mga previous players nila na pinupursige talaga na makapag-contribute. Like Mordy. Malaking improvement na ginawa ni Mordy from last year to this year. So, talagang madami kaming kailangan bantayan. Pero, ayun, Shaina is Shaina. Wala na kami masasabi doon. Si Shaina po talaga yon. Pero kami, we're Lasal. So, syempre, maganda sagot yun, Lasal. We're Lasal as a team. Talagang maaasahan yung bawat isa. So, I think, yun lang ipapakita namin kung paano kami gumalaw as a team, kung paano namin ipakita as a lady spikers, and kung paano namin irespeto yung kalaban din also. Yun lang.
Congratulations, Coach Yuel, Shana.